invest like that. So like, can I do like stage wise, like if first DPR phase wise, can I do like?
DPR should be in the composite manner, but you can build your hospital in phases, and after completion of all the phases, then you can come for claims.
Okay, like phase one, I wanted to have this thing production, like start my hospital, then the equipment part like MRI, CT, if I can install in the second part, like.
Agree, but when you will complete all the phases, then you can come for claims. Not in between of them.
Not in between that. Okay.
Sir, a very good question. Same thing, I just want to follow up. I was
Very good question.
imagining the leaflet. It was said that maximum eligible a single unit from the component of the scheme is 250 crore. So and another limit is 7.5 crore. So how come one unit can avail this much of 250 crore?
Good question. Good question. For example, if you are investing in hotel industry, for example, in survey sector, you are investing 250 crore. Then maximum capital 7.5 crore you can get. Then interest you can get. But MSLI, that is equivalent to your 100% 250 crore. Then maximum you can get. Yes, MSLI, not GST reimbursement. Again, MSLI is a performance indicator. We are taking GST. Here we are not talking about state GST or SGST, IGST or CGST. Here, composite manner, if any state can reimburse SGST, they can.
So how come a hospital, suppose? How come, in what way you're going
in hospital, if GST is not there, then 10 crore is there. In interest, you can take maximum. Yes, here you are right.
So there won't be any MSLI?
No, there is if GST is not there, then MSLI cannot follow.
I am Handongsa. Sida Akoi scheme the maximum central capital investment incentives the unit amana Lupa invest 20 crore to so 50% subsidies at 10 crore line. The Udabu kept 7.5 pangani hade. And the 7.5 panga matunda for them loan component to 20 crore to the around 10 crore loan to the interest people 5% subsidy to incentives form unit to na production ga mari na service to link to GST to the base performance to the base subsidy to manufacturing and service link incentive when high the Pujalaga Sahi Tarazida Pangbayaba unit Amana incentives at 250 crore Hazam. So total. Aduga Huziki, some sectors where GST Yaunda the maximum caps at 10 crore Thambre. Means for Zone B, the district Rata Zone B the Ladena, Hadaduna hospital Giwinati. So the Pangbayar is a 10 crore Pangbayar means so investments at 20 crore here Aduga loan Lobuduga Adugi interest subsidy to go and MSLI the Pang Hazam.
One more question relating to this.